Are you concerned or interested about your heart and or how to monitor your heart health? High blood pressure, high cholesterol, high weight, high blood sugars and kidney disease can all indicate a heart problem or condition. So don't ignore these signs and watch the video all the way to the end so you know how to monitor these 5 signs at home and so you can be the healthiest that you can be. For more advice on how to be the healthiest that you can be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video per week. So you know I have some authority to talk about this. I am a functional medicine practitioner, a naturopath, a nutritionist, a herbalist, an Eastern Ayurvedic medical practitioner, amongst a few other things, and I have been in practice helping people in clinic for the last 20 plus years. I hope this video helps you. Sign number 1, cholesterol. Cholesterol test. HDL-LDL ratio and triglycerides should be respectively lower than 4 and lower than 150. Sign number 2, blood pressure. Measure over several months and you're looking at anything greater than 140/90. Sign number 3, BMI, body mass index. So waist circumference for women should be less than 80 centimetres, for men 94 centimetres. To check these measurements along with the other 2 I will be mentioning soon, check the show notes below and you'll see links to be able to purchase the equipment. To get an indication of why you're watching, please comment below and tell me your heart signs and symptoms. Other heart issue symptoms. Number 4, blood sugar test. This will measure your blood glucose levels to measure for diabetes. Normal is less than 140. Heart issue symptom number 5, the urine dipstick. This checks all reference ranges are normal for no kidney disease. Now you know your top 5 signs and symptoms of your heart, but what can you do about it? If this has been occurring for a while, it's probably best to see a practitioner to run a few diagnostic tests to check your diet, health and lifestyle. Please see the show notes at the end in how to request a free 20-minute consultation. If you would like even more free health information tailored to your own needs, then be sure to hit the free newsletter button below. Finally, check out these videos next on other health signs and symptoms. And if you've got value from this video, then please subscribe, hit the bell and tell your friends. Thank you.